Autodesk Plant 3D gives you the power to design, model, and document process plant projects with accuracy and efficiency. Accelerate 3D plant modeling with industry-standard catalogs to meet your project's specific needs. Plant 3D comes equipped with standard symbol libraries built into the tool palettes, making it easy to adhere to industry standards from the start. Generate and modify piping orthographic drawings directly from your 3D model. As design changes are made, drawings update automatically, helping you stay accurate and minimize manual drafting efforts. With Plant 3D in the AEC collection, you can take advantage of spec-driven design tools to ensure accuracy and compliance and perform integrated analysis to catch issues early. Easily define custom report formats for your project and automatically generate reports using data pulled directly from the 3D model. Contact OneSolve today to discover how your team can take advantage of Plant 3D's intelligent workflow optimization tools and streamline your plant design process.